welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Millie, aka Millie Me, and if this is your first time tuning in, you're gonna love it here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, period. And if you're a returning subscriber, love you, babes. Much love to everybody for tapping into my video. Yo, I know y'all seen that thumbnail. It's been a minute. Like, child, this hair need to get reinstalled. We need to get it together. We need to get that content. Okay, period. Hit up my Instagram, which will be down below, and I will try to put it somewhere on the screen so y'all could see the content that I'll be taking. Let me show y'all how I got my frontal from looking like that to this. AKA, this hair is from Millie Me Brinks. I know y'all be asking me, commenting OD on Instagram and on my other videos. The hair. Yeah, this is from Millie Me Brinks. Yes, I need to stop playing and get this show on the road with my hair company. But you know, fear be holding me back. But I really need to stop playing. Like, I know y'all see that value in the hair, so I need to stop playing and produce that for y'all. Anyways, let's just roll the clip. Let's just hurry up and get to the clip that we saw before, because what I'm about to show you is preposterous. I need to get myself together. Ooh, child. I need to get this hair together so I could go out tonight. So yeah, you could see this. I mean, you already seen what it's looking like, but let's get this unit to what it was looking like in the last clip. So I'm gonna take some cotton rounds and alcohol. Y'all, make sure it's 91% alcohol. 91. We need the strongest to get the glue out of this lace. We want it to lay flat, okay? We want it to look like scalp, so we gotta use a high percentage of alcohol. I'm using 91 because I want it to be clear, okay? I'm going to be looking in my mirror. That's why I'm looking away, okay? So I'm gonna be taking this off. Yeah, it's not attached to my head, but we need to make sure it's no glue in this. And I'm really just gonna do this part. Because I'm literally rushing. I have to be outside my house by 6 o'clock. It's 5:33. So I'm only gonna do these parts. This wig is not attached to my head at all. Let me just hold it back fully. And if you're wondering where this hair is from, yes, it's from Millie Me Brinks. Millie Me Brinks, y'all. Get as much of the glue you can get out, because we want this to lay the best possible way it can.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by fault. I'm without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feel the girl.
Crazy. Yes, I did turn on my lighting, cause it's getting a little late. But your girly is going to do section by section. So I cleaned this part. Let me just clean it up a little bit more. Alright, we got this lace clean to the best of our abilities. Now I'm just gonna put some makeup on the lace. We want it to look like scalp for me. I'm just taking my bronzer, put it on both sides of the lace so it gets scalp. I'm gonna pull everything back. Gonna pull everything back. Okay, I made sure I pushed it back so I can ensure that I make sure this melt is nice the way I need it to be. So first things first, I'm going to put a little bit of actual like glue, a little bit of real glue. I do want it to be like sturdy, so yeah, this is how I get it to last like real long. You can use either glue, the spray or the actual glue, but I'm gonna use both of them because I want the best hold, you know? I need it to last. I need it to last for a minute, so I'm gonna be using both. And while that dries, I'm just combing out the glue out the lace, because I'm not trying to the glue out the hair. So I'm gonna do that meanwhile, to the best of my abilities. That's why I want
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing.
Now we got the base. Now it's time to really get going. We really almost done right now. We got the base going. You gonna take whatever spray you like. Got it being the red one, it being the black one, or Got-Team glue. Use a mixture of these two today because this one got precision, and I could work with it to dry, but this one dries really fast. This one you could take your time, you know, and it's buildable. So now we got our base. Let's just get cracking. You feel me? Make sure you have your wet alcohol to make sure it don't distribute anywhere.
Don't say it 'cause you know that's why I want to pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself 'cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we do.
Have your comb ready. Get right where it need to be. Make sure it is right where you need it to be. comb it in. Like, apply the pressure and press that in. Are you following, ladies? I don't know about you, but I'm just going to cut this part off because I don't want to spray any spray on my face. So I'm just going to cut. The excess lace off. I'm just gonna take my finger.
I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you. Guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't.
We're not even done yet, but that is melted. That's melted. Yeah, that's gonna take some bronzer. Wipe the ashiness off, but that's melted. We don't need the center. I don't really gotta do too much to the sides, but this one is a little lifted. This one is not OD, but I'm gonna just do a little bit of, really repeat what I did in the middle to the side, to this side. So I'll be right back. Now to ensure this melts, we're gonna take this elastic band. Actually, my elastic band is a little dirty and I really don't want old glue getting with the new glue. So I'm gonna take this, tie it down. And then I'm gonna take this. We wait for it to melt. I will be right back. Give me like 15-20 minutes and then we out the door. We on the road. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I am back. Yes, if you notice, yeah, I did put my robe on because I'm in the middle of getting dressed. I straightened the hair a little bit, best of my abilities. I really suck at straightening my hair, but I always get straight hair. Anyways, let's remove this. Let me get the scissors because clearly I cannot break this. Looking at it now that I clean it up with alcohol, you can see that the wig was over bleached. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the root touch up because you could tell when the wig got customized, it got over bleached. So I'm just gonna take this and just fix up the part. Take some concealer. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Usa made a mess, keep up at the jet. I'm about to get.
Pull out my baby hair.
South to the west, lawyers the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Gave me that done, left the nut on the list. When this catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the pie. Jump on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let her massage the dick. Oh, that's your new ride, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit.
I'm using Eco Styler to do my baby hair. I'm not doing anything crazy. Okay, I am complete and I feel as though this hair looks great. Great. This install, yeah, I was about to pay $100 for an install and it's giving scalp. It's giving melted scalp. I love it. Like, compared to what we was looking at before, yeah, this looks great. Yeah. So yeah, that's that for this video. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below videos you guys would like to see. Thank you for making it this far in my video. And yeah, much love. Later. A little close up. This is giving melted.